mission, and today what we're going to do is to clean the chain of our motorcycle. So today I'm going to explain. My dad is gonna clean the chain of our motorcycle while I explain it. We're going to use the degreaser to take off the grease of our motorcycle. The chain cleaner to clean our chain is what my dad's gonna use later. Now we have two kinds of chain loops. This one, the purple one, is all weather. It's allowed to get used even when it's raining. The dry one is this one, the yellow one. It says dry tech because you can only use it in summer or maybe when it's sunny. Now we're going to remove the cover so that we can clean the insides. Gonna use the chain cleaner, which will clean the chain inside. I'll try it. So guys, my dad's gonna rotate the wheel while I clean it. Okay, we're going here now. Now we're gonna use it again, the chain cleaner, but this time on this part. I'll brush it this time, guys. Here. Now we're back here. Okay, chain cleaner. Going to put chain lube now. Next is we're going to use the dry tech chain lube because we usually just use this motor on sunny days. If you want any kind of weather, you can just use all weather because you can use it on any kind of weather, even hailstorm. Okay, so now we're gonna put back the cover of the inner sprocket. cleaning it, and now the motor is now